Thunderbird family, I extend my warmest holiday wishes to our brilliant faculty, dedicated staff, incredible students, supportive friends, and cherished alumni of Southern Utah University. Your hard work and commitment have made this year remarkable. As we bid farewell to 2023, let's embrace the spirit of unity and kindness that defines the holiday season and look forward to a new year filled with hope, opportunity, and shared successes. Wishing you and your loved ones a happy holiday season and a joyful new year. Thank you for making SUU a truly special community.